In honor of the arrival of Sandy Claus, they have gathered for a Ghoultide celebration that they hope will raise your spirits. You're all invited as they cast their eerie glow upon the mansion to light the way for Sandy Claus. Join us and scream along. Have a frightfully good evening. Scary Christmas to all, and to all, good night. All through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. Sit safe in their seats, keeping their sleigh, all hands on deck or feet. Rattling and vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned and changed. And what do your wondering eyes disappears? Little friends, for those long rain. Nothing here was forgotten.
Wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me. 6 mystic mirrors reflecting futures yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me 5 lucky charms to understand the right from wrong.